Agriculture has challenged Kenyans to observe good personal hygiene practices during the festive season in the wake of emerging health threats. The CS called on the public to ensure frequent hand washing and sanitization at all times and wearing of face masks in confined spaces. The CS also called on the public to go to the nearest designated health facilities to get vaccinated against COVID-19 or get a booster dose. This as 26 people tested positive for the COVID-19 virus.
We are cognizant of the fact that there will be increased movement of people, with many of us traveling as families and groups for reunions and social gatherings, both locally and internationally. Our warm Kenyan culture means we will socially mix and interact with different populations during this festive period. Yet, I want to ask us to be cautious in these interactions. These increased activities are likely to lead to increased rate of transmission of the epidemic-prone communicable diseases that we are closely monitoring, especially COVID-19, cholera, and Ebola. That Ebola that is just in the neighborhood. Kindly adhere to appropriate public health measures to avoid chances of infection. To mitigate against further spread of this and other epidemic-prone diseases, as well as reduce the number of cholera cases and potential fatalities, the ministry has released and communicated a raft of measures to adhere to in order to keep us safe during and beyond the festive period. We have issued a cholera alert to all healthcare workers, highlighting the importance of early detection, confirmation, and management of suspected cases, while coordinating a whole government and multi-agency approach in accordance with disease outbreak management practices. We call on the public to adhere to the following measures during this festive period. 1. People are encouraged to ensure frequent hand washing and sanitization at all times and wearing of face masks in confined spaces. Those with flu-like symptoms should always wear face masks when in close proximity with other members of the public. 2, the public is encouraged to go to the nearest designated health facilities to get vaccinated against COVID-19 or get a booster dose. 3, the national and the county
and unions representing